Hey guys, Lane is about to make our first crawfish boil of the season, and he has already started his pot. In here he's got 2 whole onions, 2 whole pods of garlic, about 3 lemons I believe, and at least 4 oranges. That gives it an extra good flavor at the end. But that's the first step, is to put your veggies and fruits in there. Get it to boiling so you don't have to heat it up as much outside on the burner. Just got it on the stove right here. But I can already smell the aroma of the oranges and lemons. It smells nice. These have been on the pot a little while now. You can see that the onions are starting to get translucent or whatever. The aroma coming from this is amazing with the lemons and the oranges. But I just wanted to mention that Lane just added a couple of sticks of butter in here. So that's part of his recipe, crawfish preparedness stuff too. He puts butter in the juice. Of course we have melted butter afterwards, but he puts it inside the boil as well. There's no spices in here yet. Just the onion, orange, lemon, garlic, and butter. But it smells wonderful. Okay guys, you can see here that the water's outside now. All the onions got translucent. Lane's put in about half a bag of Crawfish Boil and then some of the bag seasonings. And what is this, half of the crawfish or all of them? This is just half of what we bought this morning. And you see they're turning orange. Smells really good out here. No smell-o-vision, but they look good. They gotta come to a boil again. Really wish y'all could smell it. It smells delicious. Okay, this is the powder I was talking about that we put in the boil. This crawfish boil here, nothing to make, just pour in. And then he also put these bags. There's like herbs and stuff in them. You have one that's not open? Do you have one that you haven't put in yet?
I put both in there.
He put 2 of these in there and half of this so far. And we always save some of this to dip in the tails with melted butter after it's done. But after the first batch come out, he'll probably put some more of this in the pot. Alright, so that's the brand we use, Louisiana brand. Okay, it's time for the first batch to come out of the pot. They've been soaking in here for about 20 minutes.
Move.
Paulo, move back.
I know what y'all are gonna say. Where's the mushrooms? Where's the other stuff?
I don't really like the other stuff. I just want some crawfish.
Yeah.
And the mushrooms, honestly, they soak up too much seasoning.
Potatoes, corn.
Nope, I just wanted crawfish. Look at there. Even when you're having them sit there between batches, steam cooks them even softer to peel. But next step is what?
Add more seasoning, bring it back to the boil.
Put the rest of the seasoning in, bring it back to a boil, and then add the crawfish. What you doing there?
Add seasoning.
Put seasoning directly in the cooler. Gonna give it a shaky, shaky, shake. Woo-wee! I smell it. Okay, so we added some more seasoning in here, and it's at a boil, and Lay's about to put the rest of the crawfish in.
Look at this one.
He's feisty. If you're an animal lover, like my friend DJ, don't watch this part. It's gonna overflow. They're in there for their eternal bath.
Their baptism. Baptism by
Hot water.
Yep.
All crawfish go to heaven. They sacrificed themselves to us for a lovely meal.
See how they look already? Are they still alive?
No, they're dead.
They're dead now.
They die instantly.
Now we're just gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then let it soak for about
25.
25, 30 minutes. So it gets all the juices. There it goes, there's that big one.
Big ones take longer to cook. Their shells are harder.
Yeah, that bag busted. Yeah.
The seasoning bag, yeah. That's the little peppercorns or whatever they are in there.
Mustard seed.
Mustard seed?
Mm-hmm.
It's not their eyeballs.
Alright, we'll let it sit for about 5 minutes.
It's now time to take out the second basket. You don't have to use the basket, but it's a lot better than trying to scoop them out. One got out of the basket. Oh yeah, you can see where all this stuff broke.
Yeah, there's the bag.
Take that one crawfish sheet out of there. If you got heat resistant gloves on, just grab it. Okay. I'll put some more seasoning in the bag. In the cooler. That's good.
Layer them up.
Shake them up, shake them up. Let me see them. Oh yeah, look at there. Some big ones in there too. They look delish. We're about to get our grub on. We're gonna put the lid back on and let them sit for 5-10 minutes, and then we'll be serving them up. Okay, right here you will see that I've got extra spice and melted butter for each of us to dip our tails in. That's always an added yum flavor. I don't think we'll need the extra spice though, because I tried one of those crawfish and they're pretty hot already, but just in case. And also forgot to mention that before we even started boiling them, Lane had to purge them several times with clean water so they can clean themselves out, and pulled out all the dead ones. Don't want to eat those, they'll make you sick to your stomach. Alright, about to eat now. Lane's going in for the count. You need this, shove them in with the spoon. Follow. Here.
That's good. That's a good one right there.
Never mind, he just licked this. Thank you. What? Oh, you're gonna make him get yours too?
Yeah. You don't have the scissors.
Look at here. You can see how big some of these are too. Look at my fingers. They're pretty big. Pretty good sized crawfishies. And then we still got that many left after 3 big old huge bowls.
Yep.
I think we had about 30 pounds sack for the 3 of us.
Yeah, it's 30 pounds.
Usually
29 pounds, but I don't know.
Usually when we have extra, we'll peel them off and make étouffée with the
That's what we'll do.
leftovers. Man, your bowl's way bigger than mine.
Whose?
Lane's going to taste it. How
Good
is
to go.
it?
Good to go.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm. Good to go.
Why don't you show everybody how to peel one of them, in case they don't know.
Some people do it right here and they twist. You know, so it holds it all together. Some people, they suck the head.
I don't do that.
And then you peel off that top piece and you grab that piece right here. You grab that vein, little vein there. You dip it in butter. Good stuff. It's good.
There you got it. Crawfish. First crawfish boil of the season. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.